You know, with the holidays coming up, maybe you need something to just take a little bit of the edge off. Welcome back. Today we're going to start a couple of low alcohol by volume cocktails. Reason being is, yes, we are getting into the holidays, but maybe you don't want something that's going to just completely knock you on your backside. So something like a Sazerac or an Old Fashioned might not be exactly what is required, but perhaps a lower alcohol by volume cocktail would be needed, and that's where sherry comes in. So today we're going to create one of the first low alcohol by volume cocktails out there, the Bamboo. The Bamboo was created in Japan during the 19th century. I want to say it was like roughly 1870s, 1880s. Don't quote me on that, but it's very similar to like a 50-50 martini. Just that instead of utilizing gin, it utilizes sherry. This is a stirred cocktail. Go ahead and grab your mixing glass, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab my ice. And I'm gonna fill this up with ice. So to this, we're gonna go with a split base of bitters. First one, Angostura. Need 1 dash of Angostura bitters. And also 1 dash of orange bitters. I'm using Reagan's orange bitters. And now, as I said, this is a 50-50 mix, so I need 1.5 ounces of dry vermouth. For this, I'm going to utilize Noilly Prat. Martini and Rossi, Noilly Prat, anything that is a dry vermouth is fine. And now, I need sherry. This is Tio Pepe Palomino Fino sherry. It says use a dry sherry. I think this is pretty dry, so you're also going to want 1.5 ounces of this. Hence why it's called 50-50. It's half, literally, of each. Another name for it would actually be a perfect cocktail. Kind of like a perfect martini would be a 50-50 of vermouth and gin. This is vermouth and sherry. Take your bar spoon and give it a nice stir. And you want this cold. I do need lemon. It's not for the cocktail itself. There's no juice going in, but this is where the garnish is. It's a lemon peel twist. Take a Nick and Nora small coupe, regular coupe. Grab your julep strainer. If you have a Hawthorne, that's fine. And like so, catch, strain. Outstanding. Now for the garnish, lemon peel twist. Outstanding. Peel a little bit of lemon. Express the oil into the cocktail. Give a twist in like so. And this is a Bamboo. Cheers. It's slightly nutty. The sherry adds a little bit of a nutty quality. Do I know exactly the type? No. The vermouth adds the herbaceousness. The lemon helps somewhat trick your senses a little bit. It adds a good aroma to it. But, you know, it's a fine cocktail. It's nice. It's low alcohol by volume. It's not gonna knock you on your backside. Is it personally my favorite? No. I'm not a big vermouth guy, I freely admit. But the combination of the vermouth and the sherry with the lemon twist stirred up, it's a good cocktail. I have to say, I do enjoy this. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. If you want to use any of the barware that I use on my show, check the links down below. They are Amazon affiliate links, which means if you make a purchase, or if you click the link, make a purchase of that item, I receive a bit of a kickback. I do appreciate it if you choose to. You can find me on my socials right here. I try to be on my personal YouTube page Saturday nights. Going through the holidays, maybe not so much. I'll be trying to recover. I'll be trying to recover from doing my day job, which gets a little crazy at this time. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail. And this has been The Beginner's Bar.